Our company is doing water treatment. Those scopes that we cover are boiler water treatment, cooling water treatment, wastewater treatment, raw water treatment, paint sludge treatment, and so forth.
Water treatment necessary because we need to prevent from water pollution, protect public health, conserve water, and meet Department of Environment regulation.
The common challenges in the wastewater treatment require the expertise of engineer are including equipment breakdown, process optimization, and compliance with the regulation.
Without lead analysis, there will be a limited process efficiency. This could result in inadequate treatment, leading to discharge of untreated or poorly treated wastewater, causing pollution to environment.
The engineer contributes to the wastewater treatment plant by designing, building, and maintaining it. They also ensure the efficient and safe treatment of the wastewater. That protecting the environment and the expertise of the engineer benefit client by providing a cost-effective solution, regulatory compliance, and sustainable water management.
We regularly monitor our project with a discussion and cooperate with a different field of experts. Then through data analysis, we get an improvement from time to time.
For me, a good water treatment company is 50% depend on people, and then the other 50% depend on the product and design. So on the people lineup, we have engineer, chemists, and biologists. Whereas for the product, we have our own manufacturing plant in which we hold the certificate like ISO and NSF.
I think what separates between us and other people is we are not using just one technology to treat wastewater. We are using a combination of different technology to treat wastewater, such as membrane filtration, aerobic system, and sludge dryer.
Lab chemists plays a crucial role in environment protection by conducting various tests and analysis. To monitor and assess the quality of wastewater, we use specialized equipment and techniques to treat pollutants to ensure a safe environment.
We have years of expertise in innovative water treatment solution. We upkeep with cutting-edge technology focused on sustainability. We are committed quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction.
Vision and mission form the backbone of the company culture. Our vision is becoming #1 preferred industrial water treatment partner in Malaysia, whereas our mission is to protect our precious resources, clean water.